Hi, this is Dr. Epstein, and I'm with Dr. Gorana Kuka Epstein, and we have one of our patients. We did a no-shave FUE. We got over 1,700 FUE grafts, no shave. He's 1 day out from surgery, and here he is. Take it away, Dr. Kuka Epstein.
Yes, I would like just to show how it looks. So basically you cannot see any traces of the surgery, but when you lift this hair up, here is where tiny incisions are. But our patient can resume his activities as soon as his surgery is done.
The 1,700 grafts were placed right into the frontal region. No reason to show it. He's already healing up. In 5 to 7 days, he'll be completely undetectable. We do not do any shaving either, ever, of the hairs up top. It's just that usually, typically with FUE, many times the entire back and sides will be shaved, but we don't do that with the no-shave technique. It does take a longer period of time, just because the extra work involved working around his existing hairs. But obviously, for professionals and people that want to get on with their life, that don't want to have their head shaved, this is the ideal way to achieve that. The drill systems we use, we have several systems. We have our own FUE system, which Dr. Kuka Epstein was largely responsible for developing. We also use another system that uses more of the hybrid punch, which is sort of a sharp, dull combination, and in certain cases we'll use that system. Anything else you want to add?
No, that'll be it.
All right, this is Dr. Epstein.
Dr. Kuka Epstein.
Thank you.